Hey everyone, welcome back to Nutrition Facts. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for our health: how to improve your breakfast routine. A healthy breakfast can set the tone for your entire day. So let's explore some delicious options and their amazing benefits.
Healthy breakfast routine.
First things first, let's talk about what makes a breakfast healthy. A balanced breakfast should include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. Think of items like oatmeal, eggs, Greek yogurt, fruits, and nuts. These foods not only keep you full, but also provide essential nutrients to kickstart your day.
How do these items work in our bodies? Now, you might be wondering, how do these breakfast items actually work in our bodies? Well, let's break it down.
Oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Eggs are packed with protein and healthy fats, which are crucial for muscle repair and energy. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, promoting gut health and aiding digestion. Fruits like berries or bananas provide natural sugars and antioxidants, giving you a quick energy boost. And don't forget about nuts. They're loaded with healthy fats and protein, making them a perfect addition to your breakfast.
Detailed nutrition in breakfast item.
Oatmeal. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal has about 154 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. Eggs. 1 large egg contains about 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, and essential vitamins like B12 and D. Greek yogurt. A typical serving has around 100 calories, 10 grams of protein, and probiotics that support gut health. Fruits. A medium banana has about 105 calories and is a great source of potassium and vitamin C. Nuts. Just a handful of almonds, about 1 ounce, has around 160 calories, 6 grams of protein, and healthy fats that are great for heart health.
So there you have it, a healthy breakfast routine filled with nutritious items can significantly improve your health and energy levels throughout the day. Remember, it's all about balance and choosing whole, unprocessed foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.